In this video, I will show you how to apply Excel for the stock market. So let's say I select 5 companies in here and we have the list of abbreviation of the stock, and we highlight this one. We go in here. So after we go on this one, we can see the information of the stock. For example, I go to Amazon, I go in here, and I want to know this one, or maybe this one. They will show in here. Similar for the next one, they will show the name of the stock. And this is the technique how to put on the information go in here. So if you wanna to know about relationship in here, we can use about beta. So that's the own idea how to analyze. This is the end. Thank you for watching.